anniversary mo na naman.
Thank you for the roses.
I'd buy all the roses in the world if it would bring you back.
Tracy, we still have each other. You still have me. Kaya lang, may mga bagay na hindi natin mababago. Sana ganun lang yun. Pero lahat na nangyayari, may dahilan. Gusto ko maging masaya ka.
Sana malinis ang intentions mo towards her. Ayoko siyang masaktan. She's been hurt too much already.
And keep running away. We don't have forever.
You're important to me, pero nag-iisa sa buhay ko.
And I don't want to share you either. But if that's what I have to do to keep from losing you, kakayanin ko.
At hindi ko kayang pasakin ka. That's unfair to you.
So maghihintay ako.
Alam ko naman na sasabihin mong kalimutan na lang kita. Ganun ka naman, Carlo, di ba? Always so giving. Always thinking of others first.
Mike will never be Carlo. All right? And the moment you realize that, and put that in your head, doon mo siya matututong mahalin.
About a year ago when he met a car accident near here. He tried to struggle for help and he died in the spot. Remember the first time we met? Galing ako dito. Kasi buhay pa siya. He used to always give me roses, so came naturally. Matay siya. Siya naman ang binibigyan ko.
I was trying to make myself worthy of you. But I had no idea that I was competing with someone who was nearly perfect in your eyes.
He is perfect.
No, Trace. He was perfect. Ililigawan ko si Tracy.
Alam ko.
But it seems you're always getting in the way.
I love Tracy.
Talaga? Then how come I never see you there for her?
I'm always there for her.
Look, Carlo. Mahal ko si Tracy.
Alam ko rin yun. And she has feelings for you too. The right time for us to let go.
How can I let you go when you never said goodbye?
All I ever wanted was for you to be happy.
Ako yung nauna, pero siya ang wakas. At kita naman sa iyong mga mata kung bakit pinili mo siya. Mahirap labanan ang tinadhana. Pinapaubaya. Pinapaubaya ko na sa kanya.